Today we will be looking into the part 2 of network ports and understanding their purpose. Today we'll discuss, let's look into some ports, most commonly used ports for email communication. Let's get started. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which uses port number 25. Port 25, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and the purpose of this protocol is that it sends email messages across the internet. Port 110, POP3, and Post Office Protocol, which allows email clients to retrieve messages from a mail server. POP3, Post Office Protocol, port number 110, and which allows email clients to retrieve mail messages from a mail server. It's on port 110. Let's move on to the next port, which is IMAP4, Internet Message Access Protocol, and the port number is 143, which allows email access and management, making it easy to access emails from multiple devices. Let's review all the port numbers once again, which are used for email communication. It starts with SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, port number is 25, and POP3, Post Office Protocol, and the port number is 110, 110. And IMAP4, which is used for Internet Message Access Protocol, and the port number used is 143. This sums up the video on most commonly used ports for email communication. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.